Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing cold girl makeup or I'm so cold makeup, whichever one it is. I've done this trend before, but I haven't done it on hair, so let's get started. If you had any questions about the hair, you can watch my last video. I think you should go watch it. I'm going to pin it up top. Moisturizer first, even if you have oily skin. I'm just going in with the e.l.f. moisturizer. And then for primer, I'm using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. So first I'm going to start with my brows. I have the Sephora Retractable Brow Pencil in Granite, and I'm just brushing my eyebrows up in light strokes. P.Louise base in Rumour number 5, and that's going underneath my eyebrow. For foundation, I'm using Fenty 400. And underneath my eyes, I'm going back in with that P.Louise base. Contour, I'm using the black Opal foundation stick. Put in a little more contour, and then along my jawline, my nose contour, and this area along here, so like concealer on my nose. I'm gonna go back over it with powder products, and I'm using the Kat Von D shade in light. This middle shade to highlight. I want it to be really bright. And I'm still gonna bake, so I'm using an Airspun. When I'm setting, I'm gonna do my eyes. So for my eyes, I'm always gonna go with e.l.f. every single time. Start with the pen, map it out basically, like e.l.f.'s precision brush, so it always gives me what I'm looking for. Go in with the precision brush one. I'm just using the Fenty. If you want to build like lashes, you just go in with the mascara and then go across because it builds on the tip of it. And then I'm gonna go across just building it. See the difference? Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna put on lashes today because the lashes are lashing. Or just some of this excess powder. Hydration and mist because I don't want to look dry. The Beverly Hills Glow Kit, inner corner with the shade Summer. Bring it in just a little bit more, just to really snatch my nose. Just a little bit for my cheekbone. Using this kit that I got from like, I want to say like Marshalls or TJ Maxx, something like that. Maybe these two. Going straight across my nose. That's it. I almost forgot lip gloss. I go in with my contour powder. One of the blush colors. I'm gonna go in with this Sephora Bubblegum Pink. Like this clear gloss from Beauty Supply store. Perfect lip. So that's it for the cold girl makeup challenge. That's it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and watch some of my old videos. Bye.